Jupiter, a fascinating portrait of the gas giant. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about Jupiter. It is the largest planet in our solar system and is a marvel of astronomy. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and derives its name from the king of the Roman gods. With a diameter of about 86,881 miles, 139,820 kilometers, Jupiter is more than 11 times bigger than Earth, making it the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is predominantly composed of hydrogen and helium, similar to the composition of the Sun. The planet's surface is not solid but instead consists of dense clouds of gas. Jupiter's distinct feature is its Great Red Spot, a swirling storm that has been observed for over 300 years. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm that rotates counterclockwise and is roughly three times the size of Earth. At its largest, the Great Red Spot has a diameter of about 25,000 miles, 40,000 kilometers, but it has been observed shrinking in recent years. Despite its enormous size, Jupiter has the fastest rotation of any planet in our solar system, completing a full rotation in just under 10 hours. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field that is 14 times stronger than Earth's and the strongest among all the planets in our solar system. Jupiter, known for its immense size and powerful storms, also possesses a system of rings. These rings, consisting of dust and rocks, encircle the gas giant. While not as prominent as Saturn's rings, Jupiter's ring system adds to the beauty and the complexity of this magnificent planet. Jupiter has a total of 79 confirmed moons, making it the planet with the most moons in our solar system. Io, the innermost of Jupiter's four largest moons, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system with over 400 active volcanoes. The volcanic activity on Io is a result of tidal forces exerted by Jupiter and its other moons. Some of Jupiter's moons are named after characters from Greek and Roman mythology, such as Callisto, Adrastea, and Metis. The Galilean moons are a group of four largest moons of Jupiter discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Number 1. Io, the innermost moon, is known for its intense volcanic activity caused by tidal forces from Jupiter and its fellow moons. Number 2. Europa, the second moon, has a smooth, icy surface and is believed to have a subsurface ocean of liquid water, making it a potential place to search for extraterrestrial life. Number 3. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. It has its own magnetic field and a varied terrain with both icy and rocky regions. Number 4. Callisto, the outermost of the four moons, is heavily cratered and icy. It is thought to have a subsurface ocean as well, though it is not as well studied as Europa. The discovery of these moons by Galileo was a monumental scientific achievement, as it provided observational evidence that challenged the geocentric model of the universe and supported the heliocentric model proposed by Copernicus. Jupiter experiences intense radiation due to its powerful magnetic field, making it a challenging environment for spacecraft and potentially harmful to astronauts. Jupiter's immense gravity acts as a cosmic vacuum cleaner, attracting and trapping asteroids and comets, thus protecting the inner planets from potential collisions. Scientists believe that the strong gravity of Jupiter might cause the planet to have a dense core, possibly composed of heavy elements such as rock and metal. Intense radiation belts around Jupiter pose a risk to spacecraft and electronics, requiring careful planning and shielding for missions sent to the gas giant. The ammonia crystals found in Jupiter's upper atmosphere are responsible for the planet's distinct orange and brown hues. As sunlight penetrates Jupiter's atmosphere, it interacts with trace amounts of sulfur and phosphorus compounds, resulting in the colorful auroras near the poles. Jupiter's magnetic field is believed to generate powerful electric currents, leading to high energy electrons and ions being funneled into the planet's upper atmosphere, creating the auroras. Some future missions, like the proposed Europa Clipper, aim to study Jupiter's moons more closely, searching for signs of habitability and potential life beneath their icy surfaces. The gravitational interaction between Jupiter and Saturn causes periodic variation in their orbits, a phenomenon known as a Great Conjunction. The Great Conjunction, occurring once every 20 years, brings these two gas giants close together in the sky. Jupiter is visible to the naked eye and is often one of the brightest objects in the night sky, easily distinguishable due to its steady, non twinkling light.